In the creative process of art, students learn how to make different parts of the body. And to get the best results, sometimes they use similar materials to dentists to make their piece of art more real, like these teeth. This is called a stone model, and as you can see, it probably looks like your mouth. And dentists have to make one to fix problems that may affect your teeth in the future. For example, when teeth grow in different places, the dentist has to make appliances to move them to the right position. To make new teeth to replace damaged ones, and to create a whole denture, these are the most common problems for which the dentist has to make a model of your teeth.
Dentists take a lot of impressions of people's teeth so that they can produce models, and these models are then used to make orthodontic appliances or braces that children might wear as part of orthodontic treatment.
The first step is to make an impression of your teeth like this, using a material called alginate. Dental alginate is pink and it smells like toothpaste. But in its original form it was brown because it's made from seaweed that grows on New Zealand's coast. Scientists call it biomaterial.
So biomaterials in dentistry are a term used for a wide range of materials that we make teeth out of, appliances, and so the term biomaterial means something that is acceptable to the mouth that won't cause any harm.
Using the tray with the impression of your teeth, the next step is to make a cast where you can see the shape of your mouth. To make the cast, mix water and plaster together. Plaster is made of a rock called gypsum, which you can find in New Zealand.
Most of you will be familiar with plaster of Paris bandages, where if you've broken your arm, they wrap a bandage around that goes hard, and it's that white plaster of Paris bandage to help your arm set. Or if you go home inside your house, you've got gypboard, which lines the inside of your house, and all this is made from a product called gypsum.
I know it sounds a bit complicated, but you won't believe how easy it is to make a model tooth. And we're going to show you how to make an impression of a fur seal's tooth. You're probably wondering why we've chosen a wild animal. You may have seen fur seals around some of the beaches in Dunedin. These wild animals have very interesting teeth adapted to eating fish. They don't have as many problems with cavities as we do. Now, take a note of the materials that we need to make this fur seal's tooth. Put the water and alginate powder in a clean bowl. Mix them together until it's a paste. Using a spatula, put the alginate inside a small cup. Once the cup has been filled, insert the tooth in the middle of the cup. Then push it to the bottom, but make sure to leave the root outside. Shake it a little bit to avoid bubbles around the tooth, and leave it to set for 3 minutes. When the alginate looks dry and firm, remove the tooth. Then you will see a hole, which is the impression of the fur seal's tooth. Pour water into a small cup and then add the plaster. Then you mix it up until it looks like gravy. Slowly put the liquid plaster into the hole that has the shape of the tooth. When it fills to the top, Shake it carefully to make sure there's no bubbles in it, and then add the rest of the plaster. Give it a last shake and leave for at least 3 hours until it's dry. When it looks firm, take the model out of the cup and carefully cut down the middle on both sides. Then open it and you will see the impression of the fur seal's tooth. As easy as it is to make this fur seal's tooth, it's as easy to take care of your teeth. Just follow this advice.